What's up, guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, I have a very hot breaking news to report to you guys tonight. One of the biggest track legend from Jamaica, known as Asafa Powell, recently he made a very shocking post. To be honest, when I heard what Asafa Powell said, I was totally confused. I was totally confused. Like, how will Asafa Powell, who has retired for how many years, be saying something like this again? Like, come on, guys, come on, guys. But anyway, I will share with you guys in details what actually he said. Do not forget that Asafa Powell is one of the greatest, fastest, in fact, the third fastest man on earth. But unfortunately, he doesn't have an Olympic gold medal, right? I don't know if I'm mistaken, but I feel like that is the rumor that has been trending, that Asafa Powell is yet to have an Olympic gold medal. So unfortunate, despite the fact that he is one of the fastest. Yes, he is one of the greatest, and people are now comparing Kishan Thompson, that Kishan Thompson is going to be the next Asafa Powell. Now let's go straight to what Asafa Powell said. Justin Gatlin, I am thinking about coming out of retirement. Let me repeat this word. Justin Gatlin, I am thinking of coming out of retirement for 2032. This is quite funny, guys. Like, how will Asafa Powell be talking about coming back in 2032? That's quite funny. And I am bringing Usain Bolt, Michael Frater, and Amnes Keita. This is so funny. Like, he is literally a comedian. So guys, Asafa Powell is just making a joke with Usain Bolt, Justin Gatlin, and some of the past legends, right? And he is just kind of teasing them and saying that there is possibility of him coming back. But we all know there is no possibility, right? We all know that Asafa Powell coming back to track and field is not possible. Only in his dreams. In his dreams, right? I'm not saying he cannot actually come back. He can come back, but it's gonna be a disaster, right? And I'm sure you guys are seeing what is happening to Johan Blake. Anyway, guys, let me hear your opinions.